I welcome you to a useful channel. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell. In this video you will learn how to treat herpes on the lip. Watch a video. Unfortunately, an effective treatment for herpes on the lips which would allow once and for all to get rid of it has not yet been developed, but there are a number of antiviral drugs including local action which able to inhibit the reproduction of the virus and significantly reduce the severity of the common cold on the lips. If there is a herpes virus on the lips, treatment should be started from the moment the first signs and sensations appear, preceding the appearance of rashes, burning and itching usually in people with recurrent colds on the lips. Antiherpetic cream is always at hand. If not, you can buy any pharmacy acyclovir, zovirax, and the cycle of prior and others. At the stage of itching and burning, the ointment should be applied at least 3–5 times a day if the disease has developed. At the rash stage, the ointment should be applied with a cotton swab every 3 to 4 hours. This application will save the spread of infection to other parts of the mucosa. When a child has cold sores on the lips, treatment in addition to applying the ointment should also include a limitation in the diet of the diet these days follows and enclose the fatty foods of treatment, and the control of herpes is a difficult but feasible task. Success usually accompany those who use an integrated approach to therapy. First of all, special antiviral drugs must be used. They act directly to the duckweed virus, slowing down its spread throughout the body since the coat of arms externally manifests itself with a loose screw. Use funds stimulating the immune system and ointments reducing the external manifestation of the disease. All these procedures depressing herpes virus should be started immediately when their symptom appears outside. Time-tested folk will help get rid of herpes of its unpleasant consequences in record time. Means: round the fleece for matches in vodka and touch herpes on the lips several times so that it socks. At the first sign of illness, lubricate from the day of cabbage soup and place with lemon juice. This will significantly weaken the manifestation of the disease, prevent the appearance of vesicles, help vitamin C dissolve. Vitamin tablet: a little warm water and gently rub the sprayed area. This procedure is quite painful, but the bubbles on the lips will not appear in some cases to prevent the occurrence of herpes. Helps ice pack for 20 minutes. Remove from sore spots. Inflammation in pieces of frozen chamomile infusion or marigold. If you don't have any means at hand, use ordinary tea bags to brew. You cooled the bag to body temperature for 20 minutes. Apply it to the affected skin at least 3 times a day. Significantly relieve pain and relieve inflammation. Galangal oil applied to the lips 2 to 3 times a day. Grated potatoes or an apple will help cure herpes. Calendula alcohol infusion is prepared in proportions 1 and 10 to quickly dry the bubbles at least 3 times a day. Lubricate them with a strong decoction of the bark. Grease oak with fresh violet juice. Affected places 3 to 4 times a day with the first symptoms. Vessels flowed later. Dropsy treat the site with any antiseptic drugs or a herbal remedy with a bactericidal effect that stops the reproduction of bubbles. Disinfects wounds, heal, restore immunity. More have a rest, eat fully, then the body produces antibodies faster and overcome infections. Drink a course of vitamins. Overcoming herpes on the lips will help in this. For the purpose of Group B, do not touch the frame with dirty hands. Additional tests will only aggravate the disease. Squeeze out. Do not puncture dropsy and do not peel off wounds. This contributes to the defeat. Do not use cosmetics on herpes, otherwise the inflammation will intensify when you first have a cold on your lips before going to the pharmacy. For an antiviral cream, it is useful to rub the planting with a cut of a clove of garlic. To do it best at night so that the juice remains on. The lesion lasts longer. Lots of viral action of garlic widely. It is well known it suppresses activity and herpes virus symptoms of herpes relieves normal ice attached a piece of ice. The itching site will no longer go away quickly but for a short time. The procedure can be repeated several times until they give a result or traditional medications before applying these recommendations. Be sure to consult your doctor. Like the video below. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share a link to it video with your friends and acquaintances. Bye bye.